Ever wonder what the fastest car in the world sounds like? Let's find out. Meet the beast on four wheels, the fastest car on the planet, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. This monster packs a whopping 1,600 horsepower and hits speeds over 300 miles per hour. But what really sets it apart? That engine roar. Picture this. You're on an open road and you hear the deep, earth-shaking growl as the engine revs up. It's like a lion's roar mixed with pure thunder. Feel the G-forces as you accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 2.4 seconds. The sound alone is enough to get your heart racing. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate thrills? Hit that play button and let's rev things up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane speed.